I'm Jin, I'm from ApparelWin, and we are a garment manufacturing company based in Guangzhou City, China. So ApparelWin mission is to produce outstanding quality garment at a world-class level, and we provide our professional advice to give our customers and our client to help them build and update their brand. Sometimes we help them to create a selling point, and we will tell them what's the best choice of the fabric, can perfect match their design. So give them a lot of option and saving their cost and improve the quality. There are many independent designers and brands demand only small quality order with high quality designs. So however, no one can offer production service for such as a small quality order like 30 pieces or 50 pieces. We launched our small quality production service for fashion brand all over the world. Build up a flexible supply chain system, such as Revolution production line, small quality fabric and term suppliers, and multiple clothing technique like printing, embroidery, tie-dye, rhinestone, everything we have. And I think what we are trying to do here is really bring the level of the skill set up. So we're using very high quality machine. I think one of the main reasons our customers produce their clothing with us is peace of mind. We do manufacture our clothes in an ethical way. We do have quality control systems, and we do use the correct machinery. And we have the right process. Our client, they know that when they get their boxes at the end and they open them in America, Japan, England, Australia, wherever they are, there's going to be no surprise. And that's what they need. They need a reliability. They need a consistency. It allows them to build their brand identities, and that's something we are good at. We learn the brand's DNA. So far, the biggest challenges that we face at ApparelWin is the time. As we know, the fashion is changing all the time. Fashion development is not just about sewing the fabric to finish the clothes and selling to our client. We need to take care about the fabric, accessory production technique, printing, embroidery. We keep updating new fashion inspiration to our fashion brand. From the long production line, we changed to small production group to support our small quality productions.